Hey guys, back in another video, and today we are... Alright. Dang it. Let's do some more airplane crashes. And maybe we'll do some ball throws and sword throws. Airplane Crash 2.0. I already did this one, but still I gotta grab... Oh, dang. I lost the easiest level ever. No, let me out. I just want to get out. Jeez. Dang it. I'm at work. I'm at my dad's office, so oh. Alright, so I think we should do... Let's go really far down, guys. Red plane jump. Let's do this. Oh, nice. Segue. Oh! Yay! Wait. I need a parachute. I need a parachute! Someone help me! Wait a minute. That didn't go well. Let's try that again. Oh my gosh. Jump. Jump! This way, this way, this way! This way! This way! Oh, my head. My head's just right there. You're going away? I thought you were part of my party. Goodbye. Go away. You're still there. Oh, there. Yeah, now you're rolling back. Look who's rolling back. Oh. Yep. Yep, look who's rolling back. I'm not doing that again. Let's do ball throw. Maybe, let's do that. Sword throw, actually. Sword. Throw. I forgot to say this is a donut lover. Anyway, you know that actually. Sword throw madness. Let's do this. Let's do it. By total jerk fight. This one has to be good. Oh,
You have to be the Stegly guy.
Oh, thanks. Hi. Yeah. Like a boss. Like a boss. Stole my girl? How dare you? I didn't even get to slice you. How disappointing. Hey. Oh no. No. You saw nothing. Yeah. Get out of here. He looks down on you. Kill two. Oh, dang it. Yeah. How am I supposed to kill a skull? Guys, wait a minute. She's fat. Yeah. You're fat. You don't. Oh. Yeah! Woo! Oh. Turn that down a little. Sword throw epicness. Play. Alright, I'm gonna kill you and I'm gonna suck your blood. Nope. It's Justin Bieber. Not much more to say here. Seriously. Goodbye. I said goodbye. I said goodbye. Goodbye. Will you? Dang it! Stupid loading. Will you load? Will you load? Will you? Will you load? Will you load? Will you load? Will you? Finally. Restart. Alright. Let's try that again. It's Justin Bieber. Not much more to say here. Goodbye. Oh, dang it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yay! I'm not sure what I did. Sword throw. Really cool. Okay. Look at this. Why is this cool? Why is this cool? Baby sword. Ah la la. Look. Get out of here. Hey. Bloody sword. Oh no. Stupid babies. No offense, real babies. Just the baby in Happy Wheels. Not saying babies can't play Happy Wheels.
They can't.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Goodbye. Hey. No, no. No, I just wasted one. Hey. 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 Yes. No.
You are part of the course now.
Oh no! Oh, and the sword got me. I was part of the course and I did what I was supposed to do. Get hit by a sword. Let's do it again, people. So, I don't get why this is cool. Probably cool for them, but not for me. We kill you, baby. Baby.
Wow. Such a murderer.
Oh, dang it.
I want to go home.
Oh!
Go home early. Please.
Oh! Oh!
We don't want to spend our summer like this.
Yeah. We're not going to be here all summer. I mean, geez, will we? Oh, gosh. That was really stupid, but not you. Mitchell 33, thank you. Alright, let's do some bathrooms.
Are you sure you don't have to end this video here?
No.
I mean, you've been on it for a long time.
After a few ball throws. My mini game. Good.
I doubt it. I believe you're gonna lose all your subscribers.
Gage. That video with 124 views, that was like 12 minutes on.
How much subscribers do you have?
That's your most recent video that you said? How many people watched it?
I don't know.
Cool.
That's my father. How would he? Oh, the mines. Yeah, got it.
Kill him.
I want to.
Oh no, wait, that's how it died. Without him.
Shut up. Anyway, guys, actually, boss real crazy real quick.
You have 3 views
Did you
On what?
on the one we did yesterday.
What was it called?
Happy Wheel, the crashing airplane thing.
This is new,
You
no
have
bother.
124 on your Father's Day.
How many likes?
Still 2 likes.
How many dislikes?
2.
Anyway, guys, I think this is a good place to end the video. Anyway, guys, see you next time. Goodbye.